get low when the whistle go.
Now we talk.
Gentlemen, this is Gabinjaba. We are here. We visited early in the morning today. It is very beautiful place. You know, you can see the greenery, the green meadows. You know, the clay mountain, the snow mountains. You can see over here the beauty of this area. That is, you know, undescribable. We cannot describe the beauty of this area, and we are astonished when we came here. Early in the morning, we were unable to decide whether to here, and they are very happy. They are enjoying their tour. We have a lot of teachers and students. Let's go and meet them.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, sir, for your kind introduction. So today I very enjoyed that because you had the very pleasing weather and lush and green. And you know that where is a tree there, you know that tree is the lungs of the environment.
Yes, sir. There are a lot of areas and so on. You know, this Malamjaba, Kalam, Madian, lots of places are there. So why did you select this one place? So, you know, to visit specially.
Because you know that sir, there's a so we have you know that very
Local to this.
yes it's a very best option because you know that sir enjoyment and you know that physical activities and we have a lot of enjoy the
The weather here it is very tough and normally it rains here. So again you came here, sir, in spite of all these situations.
It is a very best place for everyone to visit. So that's why we choose your thoughts not from your minds. It is your heartly desires which you drag
Especially
towards a
the beauty,
place.
sir, it attracts.
Definitely, sir.
Yes, this is Sir Hamad is very right. You know, he says that beauty of nature, and it always attracts the people. Yes.
So we choose to visit this place once again.
तू हीर मेरी तू जिस्म मेरा मैं रांझा हूँ लिबास तेरा तू हीर मेरी तू जिस्म मेरा मैं रांझा हूँ लिबास तेरा
आयो करीब तू छू लूं मैं तेरी रूह बिन तेरे मैं हूँ बेनिशान
समंदर में किनारा तू जो बिखरूं मैं सहारा तू समंदर में किनारा तू जो बिखरूं मैं सहारा तू
पहले थी बेवजह फिर आके तू मिला ख्वाबों को जिंदा कर दिया अपने वजूद का हिस्सा बना
I give a message for every person come here and enjoy this area.
and heart touchable and we really enjoy.
from Baraband. We enjoy a lot.
To see the nature of the of Pakistan and beauty of Pakistan. It's very good.
Chamuze and I read in class 9B.
Beautiful, we enjoyed very much.
Yes, sir, there is a greenery and nature. There is nothing is artificial.
Very much auto.
Very beautiful area. It has most beautiful greeneries. I am very appreciated, sir. This is a very nice place, sir. We really enjoyed here, sir.
Sir, area is outstanding, beautiful, sir.
What do you say?
mesmerizing.